What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I want to do a review for you guys on the Bung King Crash Bar for the Sportster. Now, this is a product made by Bung King that's located in California. They're an American company, so right off the bat they get bonus points for being made in the USA. This crash bar fits 2004 and up Sportsters bolt-on. If you have a 2003 or older, then unfortunately you got to weld on some bungs in order to be able to screw this on. That's way too complex for me, but for my application on this 2006 Sportster, I was able to bolt it right on. Now, as far as the quality of the product goes, I haven't been in a crash with it, so I don't know how it's going to hold up, thank God. But I got to say, from the looks of it and the looks of the welds, this thing is spot on, 10 out of 10 on construction. As far as the paint job on it, I got to say, 9 out of 10 there too. This thing is gloss black. It matches the bike perfect. It looks amazing. From a side view of the bike that you're seeing now, you almost don't even notice it as the bike's going past. Before this, I had one of those giant chrome crash bars that come out like this. I hated that thing. I like the design. As far as the installation, 10 out of 10. Basic, bolt right on. I love it. So for the looks and appearance, 10 out of 10. For the paint, or I guess that would be really appearance, right? 9 out of 10. And the installation, 10 out of 10. Super simple. You can do this even if you have little to no mechanical experience, okay? Let's take a closer look at it on the bike. Okay, guys, so one of the other cool things about this is whether you're a new rider, just starting out, and you've bought a Sportster that you want to keep in good shape in case you knock it over on its side or unfortunately have a crash, or if you're a stunt rider, either way, this crash bar is going to be awesome for you. Bung King also sells sliders that attach to the top of your shocks and stick out like here, as well as sliders that stick out from your passenger pegs like this. With the combination of all three, if you laid your bike over, it would literally just slide on those across the pavement, and you wouldn't have to worry about bashing up your tank or anything. And maybe your handlebars or your mirrors might hit, but the rest of the bike will be safe. So between that and the sliders up here, you can protect your bike. And then when you're more comfortable or more experienced, or you're not doing stunts, you get to always take them off if you don't like the look. Oh, and one more thing is, I really like the way they designed it with this slider on the end. Now, with the old crash bar that I had that was like chrome and came out like this, if you did hit it on the ground, you're going to end up with a bunch of scrapes and peel the chrome off of it. But if this hits the ground and you do slide on it, these are replaceable, which is just a great idea. For $12, you can put a new one of these on and it'll be like brand new again. Now, you can use this as a highway bar and put your feet up on it. You'll see that in the riding video. A lot of people put tape or something on to protect it, but I've had this on for over a year and I've been putting my dirty boots up on there and the thing still looks perfect. So, yeah, guys, 10 out of 10. This is an awesome product. I highly recommend it. You can find it at bungking.com and it's $329.99 for a Sportster. So, why don't we get out on the bike and I'll show you what it looks like from a rider perspective. All right, what's up, guys? Check out this crash bar from a rider point of view. Oh shoot, I did it again. Wrong bike. Sorry, guys. Oh, all right. What's up, guys? Now that's the right bike. All right. I got the camera angle set down a little bit lower because obviously the main point of this right now is for me to just show you what the Bung King Crash Bar looks like from a rider's perspective. So you can see it down there, right, on that side. See it over there on that side. You know, I think it's an awesome investment. And look, it's something that never goes bad. It doesn't have any movable parts, so it's never going to, you know, need any repairs or anything. You can move it from one bike to another. I mean, assuming it's another Sportster or another Dyna. But one of the other things that I really enjoy about this is on a longer trip, since I have mid controls, because I do prefer mid controls, but you can stick your feet up on there and rest them like highway pegs. You see that? So it's pretty awesome, you know? You're on a long stretch and you're not going to be switching gears for a little while, and throw your feet up there. You get a chance to stretch out your legs a little bit. It's just awesome. You know? Now, if you do have forward controls, this bar is going to get in the way of it. But the good news is they have a bar that's like 8 inches or 10 inches higher than this. A different crash bar that you can get if you have forward controls. So it's really awesome. Definitely check out their website and see what other products they have. So guys, that's the look from the top down. I'm also going to give you a look from my super fast drone that flies backwards right in front of my bike, only like 4 feet in front of me, and stays at constant speed with my bike, so you can get a view of what this looks like, you know, coming at you. No, I'm just kidding. It's not actually a drone. It's my Insta360 1X2. But anyway, super awesome camera. I'm just starting to learn how to use it. I get some really cool shots that you can't get with just your average GoPro. But anyway, guys, thank you. Check out the other shots I got, and let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you watching until the end. If you did, please hit the like button, and please consider subscribing to the channel. If you like these reviews and you want to see more like them, I'm continually adding stuff to the bike, as well as my DRZ all the time. Thanks again for watching. God bless you guys. Keep your knees in the breeze.